Today's video, we're going to take a look at Roku, and this morning somebody asked me if, I had anything in Roku, and I did, but the zone that I was watching was violated. It was busted. So when it's busted, forget about it. That setup is done. But what I did is I went back to the chart and I went and I found some other price relationships that I wouldn't always use, and I found another setup. So it basically came from some of these prior declines over on the left-hand side of the chart. I got to compare them to this most recent decline, and you can see that they're similar. Those red projections are, the ones that I took from the left-hand side. There was also an overlap of a 382 retracement of another swing and a 786 of another. So the trade setup is a buy against 85.16 to 87.96 if it triggers an entry. Okay, now if it triggers the entry, and I know it did already, but typically we look for a target, which is the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone, which means target number one, if this zone continues to hold, is 114.03. So, and what's the risk? It's, underneath the cluster or underneath the low that's made prior to, prior to your trigger. And I'll also show you that we did trigger an entry both on the 30-minute chart with the moving average crossover, and you took out a prior swing high, and also the first one that triggered would have been the 15-minute first swing trade, again, where you saw the moving average crossover and, taking out a prior swing high.